Hey guys, today I'm going to draw with only blue markers. Just woke up, time to sketch. Or kinda sketch. Oh my god, that's a GoPro. So yeah, my birthday was like a week ago and my parents got me a GoPro. Can't wait to film some sexy shots with it. So I got these markers from Profi Art, go check them out, link in the description.
For the record.
By the way, what's your favorite color? Comment down below. Well, it's getting dark and my lighting is so bad, so let's go to sleep. Ah, it's so early in the morning. Let's finish it already. I finished. Hope you like it.